Hello everyone, welcome back to my new another video. Actually today I am very sorry because this is my pet dog. Perhaps he has eaten bone of a fish. That's why he is feeling unwell right now. Really I am very sorry about this matter, because if the dog could have talked with the people, then the dog could have informed to the people. But it's a matter of sorrow that he cannot talk with the people. That's why I am very sorry. Look at this. Right now he is feeling unwell. Thanks for my watching video.